Hello my friends, Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and it is time for another 30-second video. Now I know sometimes it gets a little short and I know sometimes it gets a little long, and Ken's like, well, you didn't stamp on that one, so technically it doesn't count, and then we have these little disagreements, but we have fun. It's all fun, right? Now if you're not knowing what the whole 30-second card in 5 minutes is all about, make sure you go back literally in time. Over 10.5 years ago, I did the first video 30-second card, and that's going to kind of explain the craziness to you. I can't believe we've been doing this over 10 years, and yeah, that's just what we do. So Kenny actually has his timer. How many timers do you have this time, sweetheart? Two timers, because you cannot trust it just with one. Now my plan is to use our rounded corner Slimline because it is new to me today and I'm really excited about using it. And I'm kind of thinking if I'm going to stamp the Dreams to Stamp. So we'll see where that's going. We don't know where it's going right now at this point because you just never know around this joint. Let me see. I'm kind of feeling like I need, oh, you know what? Hang on. I'm just going to grab one of my Karen bags because this has a lot of secret weapon things in it, like nesting dies and things like that I might need. I'm just getting them handy just in case. You never know. Okay. Ken Barnard. Oh, hang on. I got to take these dies off because sometimes they're hard to get off. Okay. This is my sample die set. Okay. Ken, are you ready with the timers? Yeah. Okay, he says yes. On your marks, I'm thinking. On your marks, get set. Start the time. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna do purple because everybody says we never ever do purple. So I'm gonna do purple today. Oh gosh, I'm grabbing all these purples, but no, I don't want black, I want white also. Okay, so I'm grabbing all these purples. Grape, purple, grape, pixie, and white. And I'm getting my card base. You do need the larger machine for the card base, my friends. Just a heads up. You don't need to email us and ask. You do need it because it's a big card. The nice thing though about the Slimlines is they fit in business size envelopes. So that's kind of fun. It's just a fun new shape to use. So I've die cut that using the die. Dun, 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 look at that. Isn't that awesome? And now what we're going to do is we are going to grab the panel. I want to do this, and I'm going to do this in white. So I'm going to lay this down. I'm going to lay that down. I'm going to run this through with a smaller cutting pad because it is a smaller item. And we're going to run that through in white. And then, oh, I grabbed black. I want to do that black. Okay, because I love this look. So then I'm going to grab the black. And I'm going to do, watch this you guys. So now I'm going to take that same die I just die cut and the panel that goes in between. And I'm going to lay that down and I'm going to take an extra 10 seconds or less. And I'm going to washi tape it so it's perfectly centered in that. Because I want this to be, it's kind of important to have it be centered on this one. You want to take an extra second. Okay, so now I'm going to lay this down. Now this has, oh, I should have put adhesive on the back. Stop, put adhesive on the back because let me tell you, my friends, you do not want to try to adhere that without adhesive on the back. So we're going to open this one up, get this out, hang on, lay that down, and I didn't grab the right one, so I got to do another one, okay, we got it. Add that. Now, because there's extra, I'm going to trim that down and add this one right there. Okay, so we're going to lay that down, lay this down, get that there. Okay, run this through. Now, this has a lot of blade on it, my friends. So what am I going to do? I'm going to run it back through. So I'm running it through once, and then I'm just going to run it back through. That's going to give me a nice, clean cut. Okay. Sometimes it's much faster to cut it twice than it is to poke, you know? So look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Look at that. That's fantastic. I love that. Now, I am going to grab this and I want to bring in another color. So I'm going to get some scratch paper. This is my list of things to do today. My scratch paper, and I am going to get some of this, and I'm going to get some ink. And let's use purple and pixie and this, and let's add a little bit of yellow. So what we're going to do is we're going to add Oops, purple. Where's my yellow? Here's my yellow. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of yellow right in the center. Woo! I'm going to go fast because I don't have time for this. Don't have time. So pretend I'm waiting for the mailman to come. So I'm going to go fast, 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 fast. Okay, so now I'm going to get some light purple. And we're going to go like this. And we're going to go boop, 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 boop. That one needs some re-inker on it because I've been using that one too much. Okay, hopefully the next one's darker. Grab that, grab this, and we're gonna go darker. Ooh, that's better. And I'm gonna go really fast because it doesn't even matter because you know what? You're not gonna barely see this. Now, I'm gonna add purple over here as fast as I can. Kind of going for the tie-dye look there, I think. And I'm covering those because otherwise I'll put my hand in them. And now, we are grabbing our card base. Dun, 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 dun. We are grabbing some adhesive. Dun, 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 dun. We're going to add this to our card. We're going to lay this down. Look how that grape, oh, look how gorgeous that is. And you're like going, well, that's not that exciting. But wait, my friends, there is more. So now what we're going to do is we're going to peel the backing off of this. And we're going to peel the backing off of this. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, and it was 2 because I had to do 2. Dun, 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 and it's going to tear on me because I'm in a hurry, because I'm in a hurry, because I'm in a hurry. Come on. It's easy to get off, but it's just got to get it off. Okay, peel it over here. If I wouldn't go so fast, it would probably be better. I'll go slower on this one. Okay, go slow. La, 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 la. See, it goes fast. It goes faster when you go slower. Now, I'm going to lay this down. Dun, 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 dun. Just like that. Press, 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 press. Oh my gosh, isn't it gorgeous? Okay, imagine trying to put adhesive on the back of that. No way, Jose. Now, I'm going to do vertical, I think. Okay, I want to do something here, something here, something here. So I'm going to grab, oh, no, hang on. No. Oh man, I started organizing and I haven't organized enough to get what I want. Okay, so we're gonna use a tag, which kind of sounds funny, but oh, here's some open tags. That'll be faster. And we're going to find my stamps. And what stamp do I want to use? I want to do let your dreams be your wings, but I want to use a smaller tag. So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to go, yep, that fits. Oh, wait, does it? Hang on. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Yes, it does. Okay, so I'm going to do this in lavender or pixie. The official name is pixie. We're going to run this through. Oh my goodness, this is taking a long time. Okay, so we're going to run that through. And we are, oh gosh, do I have a block? Do I have a block? Do I have, here's one. Got block, got this, got this, got this. This is a brand new stamp set, so I need to, don't have time to smell it. I'm going to grab, oh my gosh, don't even tell me I don't have purple out here. Well, it's going for black. Okay, so we're going to grab this. Ink it up, stamp first on scratch. Oh, look how gorgeous that is. Second time on my project. Right, whoops, right there. Just like that. Oh, look how gorgeous. Okay, now we are going to get some ribbon. And I know already I don't have yellow because I looked earlier. I'm going to swing that in there. And I'm going to tie this. Oh my goodness. Kenny, are you getting ready? You better be ready. And we're going to trim this there, whoops, there and there. Come on. And I want to do that one cleaner. There, and we're going to add some adhesive to the back of this. And we're going to do this. Oh gosh, stop. There, and it's kind of a plainer card, but I kind of like it. And I'm just going to stamp the back with my little heart in chocolate. Oh, here's licorice. And get ready, get ready, get ready. Stop. Oh, I did that. Ugh, missy. Dummy. Okay. Look how cute that is. So, let your dreams be your wings. I didn't have anything up here. I need to have like a flower or dragonfly would be pretty up there. Butterfly, because it says wings, you know, so I need something up here flying. But On the back, I got my stamp, even though I messed it up. It says made with love by Stephanie, because we make personalized stamps on our website. Okay, that's cute. Hang on, I just want to fix this little spot right here. Probably should tie this one more time. Okay, Ken, and it's a Slimline, so it fits in a standard envelope. So, you know, I mean, a business size envelope, so I can send it to Ken, send it with Ken to work, and he can mail it because he will have an envelope. Oh gosh, that's not as good as I thought. Well, it's not as bad as I thought. Okay, so the total was 7 minutes and 37 seconds. But I stamped, I ink blended, I added adhesive to the back. I did a lot in this card. So come on, you got to give me a little bit of credit for that, right? 7 minutes, 37 seconds. Not bad. Guess what? Ken made me lunch, so I get to go downstairs and eat chicken enchiladas. Thank you so much for joining me for another 30-second card in 7 minutes and 37 seconds. I'm not going to complain. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.
So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, 'cause I like the way you drive me crazy. I like the things you do to me, baby. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if you never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, 'cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could have it like that, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, 'cause I like the way you drive me crazy. I like the things you do to me, baby. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if you never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, 'cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could have it like that, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, 'cause I like the way you drive me crazy. I like the things you do to me, baby. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. 100 girls every day. And yeah, they move me a million ways, but what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm here with nothing.